YouTube? It's your girl Barry J, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. So as you can see from the title, I did a little simple New Year's glam that you guys could do. I'll keep constantly saying simple, and some of you guys be DMing me on Instagram and saying, oh, it's not so simple as you always say. But it is, like, it's literally simple because, like, I'm now learning how to do a cut crease and blend out and everything like that. So it's just like kind of getting easy to me. I won't say that it's simple to everybody, but overall I think that is really, like, I really am thorough with every step that I do, to the point where it's just like, hey, it's simple. Barry Jane, make it simple, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys do not click off this video. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing this little nice eye for you guys. Everything else is gonna be sped up. If you guys do want me to do a slow down on how I apply my, what's that thing called, my foundation, everything like that, just let me know and I will do that for you guys. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and as usual I always prime my eyes with a concealer, but today the concealer that I'm going to be using is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. It has been so long since I have been using this concealer, but I totally forgot how good this concealer is. Okay guys, so now that we got that all in, usually I will go in with my setting powder and kind of set that in, but I realized that when you do that, you kind of mess up your eyeshadows from sticking to something. So that's why I don't do that anymore. I usually, like, now I usually just put it on and just call it a day. But anyways, so we're going for a New Year's look. So I happen to pull out Chasing Rainbow palette, you know, and this palette had bomb colors up in here, and I wanted to stick to using one palette, but because I need to use multiple colors, it's gonna be still Colourpop, but two different Colourpop palettes. You know what I'm saying? So one thing I need to tell Colourpop to do is to start making eyeshadow palettes with a mirror, because I be having to dig in, get my Jackie Eyeliner palette or my BH Cosmetic palette, just use the mirror, you know. So it's just like So in the Chasing Rainbow palette, you guys, I'm going to take this color called Prism. I'm going to pack that color into my cut crease. Okay guys, so now that we got that color packed onto the eyes, make sure that it's really dark. Now we're gonna go right back into this palette, and we're gonna go take this color called Realness right here, and we're gonna just blend out this color. Make sure that the color is popping, you know. So we're gonna take a nice brush and just start to blend out. Okay guys, so now that we got both of the eyes done with those cool colors, we are completely finished with the Chasing Rainbows palette. But what we are going to do is go into our Yes Please from Colourpop, and before we actually get into that palette, we're going to cut our cut crease out. Okay guys, so we did it. We did that. You see that cut crease? Now we gonna do this other eye off camera. Hopefully it come out the exact same way. Pray for me guys. Pray. May the Lord be with us. Okay you guys, so I think I did it good. Very cute. Now we're gonna go into this palette right here, which is called Yes Please, and we're going to take this color right here that is called Butter Cake and this color right here, which is called Schaffner. So what we're gonna do is go in first with Butter Cake. Because I want it to really stick, I'm gonna just spray my brush and just dig back into that color because I want it to really like pop out more. I'm gonna just go right back in with that same Butter Cake color and just place it right on top. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go in with another flat brush. I'm gonna take that color called Schaffner and just pack that color right next to that. Just like we did to the brush before, we're going to just spray our brush and go right back in with that color. So this is the final look of the eyes, you guys, and I feel like it's really cute. I'm loving it. What I'm gonna do now is my foundation, everything like that. So before I continue going on with this video, I just want to show you guys this new primer that I'm going to be using today, which is from Urban Decay. It's the All Nighter Face Primer. Now, this is my first time using this primer, but I got it in gratis at work, and they was just like, oh, you're going to love it. So far, I like how this primer makes my face look. I'm going to be using Morphe, the good old Morphe foundation. So this foundation is in the shade F4.80. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with my Morphe concealer in the shade C4.45. Now we're going to go ahead and contour the face with our Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our Juvias Place blush palette. Now what I'm going to do is set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So, Morphe needs to start sponsoring me because I literally got every makeup thing from them right now that I basically use is mainly Morphe. But yeah. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go right back to these luscious oils, you know. And we're going to, oh, my hand. What we're going to do is go back in with that color that is called Prism from the first palette that we used, the dark color that we use in our cut crease. And we're going to apply that to our under eye. Now we're going to go back in with that color called Realness and blend it right out. I'm about to take some fire ass pictures. Okay guys, but yeah, now we're gonna do our lip. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I did my lip gloss and everything off camera because, as you know, I always just put my brown lip liner on also with my regular Coconut Beauty Supply Store lip gloss. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, Peace.